Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you've been following the channel, you know recently we picked up this Nissan Frontier Pro-4X, and I ordered up a little something as our first add-on to the truck. Something that I think any truck should get. It's not just this one, and that is lettering for your tailgate. I'll flip you around, show you exactly what I got, where I got it, and what I'm talking about, and then we'll get it installed so you can do this yourself and make it properly stick, and you won't have to worry about anything falling off. All right, so what I am talking about, everybody probably knows it, is the name on your tailgate. What they do is they make your tailgate, they basically just stamp it in. It's the same on a lot of trucks. This one is a Frontier, obviously it says Frontier. I know the F-150, the Tacomas, the Chevys, all of the different trucks, I'm pretty sure it might even be all of them, not 100%, but they just stamp it in. To me, it just looks unfinished. What they should do, or I wish it was at least an option, is to maybe paint in here possibly just to make it pop a little more, but unfortunately they do not do that. So what we've ordered is these, and what this is just stickers to go inside the stamp. Now you can scan this code here. This is where I got mine. They make these all different types, all different colors, different fonts, obviously depending on what vehicle you're driving. This, I've got the black interior with the red outline because it is a Pro-4X, so it kind of matches the rest of the truck here. So I went with that, but you can get these in all different colors, pretty much anything you can think of. You can make your own even if you have a design or a picture. And the other thing, these are a little bit more expensive than the regular ones because if you look, they're a little bit raised. It's like a 3D letter. So once you put it in here, it's not just a flat sticker, it'll actually fill in the gap a little bit. It just looks a little bit better once it's complete. But if you don't want that, you can just get your basic flat vinyl sticker as well. Again, all from the same company. So you get that in the box as well. As you can probably see it in here, they send you a little alcohol wipe because of course you want to get this as clean as you possibly can. I know with the gray, it's kind of hard to see the dirt, but we are pretty filthy. So I'm gonna hit it with some detailing spray. Once we get all the grime off, I will hit it with the alcohol wipes and then we can start putting on the sticker. And now that we've got her wiped down, you can see just how much dirt was actually on there. This is why I recommend you hit it with some sort of detailing spray or just wash the vehicle, whatever comes first, because this is how much is on here, even though it didn't look that dirty. So if that's on there and you use your one little alcohol wipe to clean it, you're gonna get through 2 or 3 letters and that thing's gonna be so full of dirt, it's not gonna have enough oomph to clean out the rest of them. So before you use the alcohol wipe, wipe it down, get it nice and clean, and then you can move on. So now once you're all cleaned up, and this is what I mean, in that package is just one teeny tiny little square for your alcohol wipe, but it's enough as long as it's clean. That's all you need. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just get in where the letters will be and make sure this just gets any of the excess grime off and any of your detailing spray or soap or water or whatever you might have left in there to clean this. It'll get all that out, and because it's alcohol, you let it sit for a couple minutes and the room temperature will make it all dry off and you're left with a perfectly clean surface to start applying your decals. So now once it's all alcohol wiped and dried, you can peel these off of the pad that they came on, and it is stuck on there, but it's not actually using the tape itself. It is 3M tape, so you got the red backing on here still. This is not sticky, this is the backing of the 3M tape they use. But what this gives you a chance to do is just get a feel of where it will sit, because of course this tape works very well. So once you get this thing peeled off, you want to aim it, find the sweet spot, and stick it down. So what I recommend is most of the letters, the N is a little smaller obviously, but most of the letters have a nice 90 degree on them. So get on there, get nice and level with it so you can see, line up the top, And as you can see, it's gonna be a little difficult with one hand, so obviously I'm gonna have two, but line it up with the top like this, just kind of roll it down, keep the edge nice and straight there. So if you do that with all the letters, use the 90 in the corners, then you should be able to line them up fairly easily. Might not be perfect, but once they're on and you're standing up back here, you're not gonna notice little teeny imperfections like that. So just take your time. Of course, peel the tape off, get them lined up as best you can. Give it a good push. And if you're really wanting to, you could hit these things with a blow dryer or a heat gun of some sort. Not a lot of heat, just a little bit. Especially if you're on a colder day, the tape might not stick 100% like it should. So just heat it with the heat gun slowly on each of them, and it'll just help this bond to the cutouts right here a little better than it would without the heat. All right, so we are halfway there, and you can see what a big difference such a little thing can do for your truck. And if you come up in here now, you guys may be able to see that it is got that little 3D, they call it raised lettering, I believe, but it's like a 3D look to it. Comes out just a bit. And if you're really OCD, these are just slightly smaller all the way around of the cutout. You can really see it on the R here. Should have been a little bit fatter. But when you stand back, you're not gonna really notice that. It's not, you know, not popping out, making it look like junk or anything like that. They do fit in there nicely. What I've been doing is just keeping the top in line with the top. The rest seems to fit so far. And then at least it looks unison all the way across once you're done. So for now, we will get the rest of the letters on there, and then we'll take a look how she looks overall. And there you go, guys, just like that. She is on there, they're all stuck. What a difference it makes. You can see when you stand back here, definitely pops now. And if you are looking for this specific truck, this is black with the red outline, exactly like it says on the website. And again, if you want it, scan the code. Hopefully it works through your screen. If not, just look it up. These came off of Etsy. And like I mentioned, they come in all different sorts of colors and anything you can imagine really for this stuff. But if you're looking for these same ones, they are the lifted letters, black with the red outline. And as you can see, if you have a Frontier, the color is almost, not 100%, but almost dead on. So up close, you can kind of tell a little bit of a difference, but if you're standing way back here, it looks like you had them custom made to match your red Nissan badge there. So I am definitely happy with it. Easy install, you know, wipe it down, clean it up, wipe it with the alcohol wipes. You'll have this done in less than 10 minutes, and it makes your truck just pop. And there you go, guys. Nice and easy, cheap mods, easy DIY in your own garage. And like I said, you just wipe her down, make it nice and clean, stick them on. Takes less than 10 minutes and makes a big difference. So in my opinion, those are the best kind of things you can do to your vehicle. You don't break the bank, makes you stand out a little bit, and it just looks better than what came from the factory. So stay tuned. I'm not sure what else we're going to be doing with the truck quite yet. We do have one more thing coming. I won't give that away. You'll have to wait for the next video whenever it shows up here. And other than that, if you want to see anything or want to know anything about the vehicle, drop a comment down below. Give us a like, subscribe. Hopefully we catch you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching this one.